So guys, we're at the Texaco car meet. It's been so many months since this meet's happened actually. And like, just from it getting started, there's honestly like a pretty decent crowd. I wouldn't say it's amazing or anything, but like, it's getting there, don't get me wrong. Hopefully in a couple of weeks and nobody, fucks up, there'll be more cars here and everything. And I won't be like vlogging every meet because I'm pretty sure it'll get boring after a while. But I'll take pictures here and there and make sure to post them up in a video. Fucking 5.0 can't talk. So yeah, I'm gonna go walk around, take some pictures, probably record some stuff. And yeah, let's get to it. What's up, guy? Somehow. I'm good. I got it.
Oh, right. Or like at the end, just put like a little, like, this is why stuff like this gets ruined, and it makes me so upset.
Dude, look at that car. Look at that. That's a racer.
No. Hey, that's your boy. Is he parking over here?
Do a burnout.
Don't do a burnout.
This is my guy Steve.
What's up?
Do a little rev when you leave for the camera. Okay, just leave me. It's cool, guys. I was gonna say go check out our new channel. It's called Things That Really Grind Our Gears. We're gonna basically be talking about shit like driving stuff that's really annoying. So yeah, go subscribe to that channel. Let me know what you guys think.